नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। Myself, Dr. Gaurav Gupta, Assistant Professor, Department of Forensic Medicine and Toxicology, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. My today's topic of this session is mechanical irritant poisons. Mechanical irritant poisons are those poisons which acts mechanically and produces irritation, but they are not absorbed in body and causes irritation of the GIT tract. So, so these are not like some other irritant poisons like animal irritant poisons or vegetable group of irritant poisons which were taken or ingested in body and were absorbed in the body, or when comes in contact with the body, then they produces their symptoms. Okay, they act mechanically, not through absorption, and they causes local irritation only. Examples of mechanical irritant poisons are powdered glass, diamond powder, pins, needles, nails, chopped animal and vegetable hairs. Now we have a brief review about one of the mechanical irritant poison, powdered glass, which has a history to be used for the homicidal purpose. So when this glass powder is ingested or swallowed after mixing it with something, mainly food, it produces sharp burning pain in the throat, stomach, and intestines. As it acts mechanically, it causes irritation, it causes abrasions, it cuts the mucosa and causes sharp burning pain in the throat, stomach, and intestine. Also, it causes nausea, vomiting, usually constipation, but rarely diarrhea. So constipation in this type of poisoning is common, but diarrhea is rare. It may also cause death from stomach, from shock, if there is perforation of stomach or intestine from these glass powder. Fatal dose and fatal period both of powdered glass are uncertain. Treatment is initially bulky food should be given. Later, emetics and purgatives are very useful. In the postmortem finding, erosion may be seen extending from the mouth to the upper part of small intestine. The mucosa of the stomach is covered with sticky mucus, and the glass particles may be found in stomach and intestine. The mucosa of gastrointestinal tract is congested and may be inflamed. It is very rarely used for suicidal or homicidal purpose, and to use it as a irritant or to cause poisoning effect, it is used in mixture with food. It is also used as kettle poison. This session is powered by digital version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.